Welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this short video lecture, I will guide you for steel reinforcement details in the construction of this floor beam, which is designed for 7-story commercial building, which span between two columns is 15 feet. Guys, you can see from that column to this column, the span is 15 feet and the size of column is 15 by 24 inches. Now let me guide you for its steel reinforcement. So if you are new on this channel, so you may like this video and subscribe the channel for more civil engineering updates like this. Let's get started, guys. As we discussed, the size is 24 feet. Guys, you can see the depth of the beam is 24 inches and the width is 15 inches. Here, guys, you can see we have two bars at upper portion, which is compression zone. Two bars we have in upper portion. The dia is 20 millimeter. At the bottom, guys, you can see clearly we have also at the bottom, guys, you can see we have three bars. Look here, we have three bars at the bottom. You can see three bars at the bottom and two are side bars, guys. You can see one is this one, that is the other one. So here we have 7 numbers of steel rods and the dia is 20 millimeter for each steel reinforcement. Okay, these are longitudinal bars, guys. You can see 3 at the bottom, 2 are side bars. Okay, but they are not provided at the distance of L/4, so they provide it fully. We have full length for each bar, which is 15 feet for this beam. Guys, you can see this is the stirrups. Dia is 10 millimeter. Okay, with the spacing of 4 inches at the distance of L/4. It means at the distance of about 4 feet, guys. You can see, and hooks are bent on 90 degree. It should be provided on 135 degree. After L/4, guys, you can see the spacing is increased up to 6 inches. Look here, this is 6 inches now. 6 to 7 inches they did. Okay, so this is very important to know about these important technical terms which I am discussing. So the hooks should be provided alternately, as you can see in this critical videos. Okay, so these are opposite of each other. Look here, these hooks are same like this and this is the other one. Okay, these are opposite of each other. It should not be provided at the same direction. Okay, so this is very important to know about these points which I am discussing you in this video. Guys, you can see here, this is the junction between beam and column. So if you need to provide the lapping length, if you require, so at the junction you should provide the lapping, because here we don't have more chances of cracks. But at the distance of L/4, when you are providing the lapping, so this is danger. That's why, because here we have negative bending moment. Okay, if you provide or if you need to provide the lapping, so at the upper portion, which is compression zone, you can provide at the distance of L/2, but at the bottom portion, at the distance of L/2, you are not allowed. That's why, because we have positive bending moment where we have more tension. Okay, so therefore these are some important tips related steel structure design. Guys, you can see this is the other beam, which span is here, guys, more than 20 feet, about 22 feet. You can see the steel reinforcement are changed from each other, but the size is same for each beam, guys. You can see. Guys, see the steel reinforcement. The column size is 12 by 12 inches. Here we have 12 numbers of steel rods. Dia is 25 millimeter. They used M20 grade concrete for this. We have two sections in this beam. One is at the distance of L/4, one is after L/4. Now let me show you also the development length at the end of this beam. Guys, you can see this is development length which is already provided. Look here.